Yeah, hi everybody. This is my fourth day of vacation. Uh, I continue to build my wall with stones, without cement. Okay, this is the part I did today. Okay, so yeah, it is nice. I am happy to dedicate my time to this hobby, I can say. Yes, this is not my job, but I learn from specialists, and then I started to do it. Now I continue. So as you see, I take these big stones over there, and also the small stones, and this rope help, helps me to keep the river. Okay, and also this aluminium how can I say, tool is helpful to see if I am not going up or down. Okay, and this is my job today. I did around 5 meters. Okay, there are a lot of stones here still, and I will continue over there, over there. Okay, so good.